Naija, what is going on? What is all this noise on Facebook? What is the meaning of all this rubbish going on? You people are just disturbing someone's peace with rubbish. They are snatching your husband. What's that? I don't know what's the girl's name. Mamu something. She's taking your man. She's using charm to tie your man down. You people should just stop all this noise. You people should stop disturbing someone's peace on Facebook with your stupid issues. Most of you, because you're a married woman, because those men are married to you, you will not even cook for them. But when they are dating you, you'll be pretending, acting like saints. You will cook heaven and earth. The type of food your mother never taught you, you will cook all in that man's house. When you guys are just on courtship, just for the man to marry you, you will be pretending, acting you are the best. You will come to his house. In fact, you will clean his room 5 times a day, just to impress them to marry you, making them to believe you are the best wife. When they finish marrying you, you can't even cook. Most of them, you'll be feeding this man with Indomie. You'll be feeding your man with noodles. Why some of you, your kids, you can't even take care of your kids? Why some of you, when they marry you, they will not find out that you are so dirty, you are such a dirty lady. But when you are dating this man, you will be acting like the best. You'll be acting like angels. This man will be thinking, oh, I've got the best woman. Let me just hurry up and marry her. When they finish marrying you guys, you start acting different nonsense. You can't even cook. Most especially these ones in Europe, these ones outside Nigeria, the country where I live, most of our guys, when they are single, when they are not married, or when they are not staying with any baby mamas, you will see them, they will be looking so fresh. Every lady will want to date them. But immediately they got married, most of them, I will say in fact 90% of our Africans in the country where I live, immediately they got married, or maybe he just has a baby mama in his life, they are staying together. Come and look at these guys before 5 months. They will be looking so rattled. They will be looking like a hungry lion on the street. Some of them, when they ask you how they want to date you, ask them, but you have a wife at home, they will tell you, my sister, you will not understand though. You will not understand the hell I'm going through. This girl doesn't cook for me. She only cook and feed herself and the baby, that's all. I have to cook for myself if I want to eat. What kind of life is that? That is what most of our men are going through. We should start saying the truth. Everybody's just busy sharing the video, saying that the girl is wicked, the girl is evil, she's using charm on the man. Nobody knows the facts. It might be that this woman in question, this one that is claiming housewife, wifey bled, she's not even taking care of the man. She's just sitting at home doing wifey, a full housewife. She just maybe she can't even cook. She can't even take care of her kid, the kid that she's claiming that she has for the man. Don't be so surprised that this man is just, ever since they've been together, maybe he's the one cooking for himself. This woman is not taking care of him. What do you expect him to do? Sometimes we should face the fact and just, anything we just see on social media, everybody will start posting it, we'll start blaming one person. If this woman has the strength to fight, why is she not posting her own husband's picture? Why is she not fighting her husband instead of disturbing the piece of Facebook, saying the girl is using charm on her man? Don't be so surprised that this woman is the problem. She might be the problem of the house. She might not be cooking for the man. I know a lot of our guys in the country where I live, that ever since they've got the baby mama, they no longer feed well. They look like a hungry lion. When you ask it, they will tell you everybody's just on his own. The girl that my woman will just cook his own food. He doesn't even give me food. Just imagine that nonsense. When you keep treating a man like that, what do you expect him to do? When tomorrow you find another girl that knows how to take care of him, the girl is taking good care of him, is making him feel comfortable, what do you expect? He will dump your house, bled. He will dump you. I'm really pissed off by all this noise. The other time when I said there's love in sharing, some of you, this lady, were busy using your mouth to insult me. Men are meant to cheat. If you are lucky to have a man that doesn't cheat on you, my sister, you're just lucky. People should stop making unnecessary noise that they are snatching your man. Do you think that if this girl, this man moves something, leave this man today, this man will not cheat on you again? Answer me, do you think he will not cheat on you again if you find another nice girl? Definitely he can cheat on you because maybe he's just meant to cheat. Or maybe it's because you're maltreating him. You don't give him food. You don't even take care of the house. Some of you, when they are dating you, you will look like fake. You will be pretending, packaging yourself, bled, just for people to feel you are the best. trying to impress his family, trying to impress everybody around him that you're the best wife for him. When they finally marry you, Jesus, immediately they got married to you, you start making that man to feel like if he's living in hell. You will not feed him. You will be, I don't know how to put it, because you will not feel that you own the man all to yourself. You can do any rubbish you feel like doing. My sister, you're wasting your time. He will just dump your ass before you know it and go for someone else. You're just making too much unnecessary noise that she's using charm to take your man. You too, you can be the problem. You too, go sit down, set yourself. Everybody's just supporting you. Everybody's just supporting you that the girl is wicked, the girl is this, the girl is that. It might even be that this man never wanted to marry you. You, this lady that is posting this video, disturbing Facebook, it might be that this man never wanted to marry you. Some of you, even when the man tells you that, baby, I'm not ready to marry you, maybe I'm not ready to settle down now, you will look for one way or the other to get into the man's life. Maybe because the man has more money. You will feel that even if he doesn't love me, if I'm his wife, I will be getting everything. I always tell you, most of our ladies these days, they are marrying because of property, it's not because of love. They are married, they are just rushing into marriage because of property, because of what the man has. Because now most of our ladies, they won't cut marriage, so that when they tell the man that no, I don't want to marry you again, they will want in fact the most of the property will not belong to the woman. That's the reason why most of you are getting married these days, because of money, because of material things, properties. You don't want to work hard for yourself. You don't want to do anything. You just want to look for one guy that has more money that you will run into his life. You don't want to work hard. You don't want to plan anything for your own self. People are telling me go and get married. I don't find the man that I can really live with. I don't want to rush into anybody's life because he has money. I don't want to do that. I want to get married because I love the man. Because I will be ready to stay with him. Even when he cheats, it will just be as in, I will see it as normal thing. I can never leave my man because the man cheated on me. If truly I love the man. I can never divorce my man because he is cheating. I will never do that. If truly you love a man, you will not be making all this noise. You are so jealous because you're so concerned about the money. Now, it's unfortunate for you that the man is not giving you the money, he's spending the money on the girl. Because maybe you're the problem. Maybe he never loved you and he loved that girl more than you. You come to Facebook and be disturbing the peace of everyone. I keep telling my fellow ladies, if you want to run into any man's life because of money, my sister, you will fail. He will just dump you. It will look like a film. He will just dump you. So you people should rush into a man's life. Don't cook for them. Make them go hungry. Don't worry, one day, they might be keeping quiet for long. One day, he will dump you, he will look for one nice girl and continue his life with the girl. He's buying him car, he's doing this, he's sending money into his account, now you're jealous. You go and sit down, go and think of those things that you are doing that is not right. Go and think of the way you're treating the man, if it's right or wrong, before making noise. Saying he's using charms. If I were to be that girl, you are lucky I'm not the girl. In fact, this will be the worst. I will even do worse. Mamus, if you watch this video, don't mind her. Let her make noise. If you know that you're not using charm on this man, because I will never support anything evil. If you're not using charm, this man just loves you. You guys are just in love. My sister, continue your relationship with him. Let the woman shout. That's her own business. If only you know that you're not using charm, it's just a natural love. My sister, continue your life. Let nobody use their smelly mouth to bring you down that you're using charm on. Let them talk. When they're tired, they will rest. Okay? If you know you're just in love with the man, continue. Just move on. She's very lucky that I'm not the one. If anyone should do that rubbish to me, if I'm dating any man, one stupid person will just come out tomorrow. Maybe maybe the lady might not even be aware that this man is married. Because men lie a lot. He might even go and tell this girl that he's single. Maybe the girl later find out after some years later. Maybe now, I don't know how to put it. After the man, the girl is in love with the man, she will not find out that the man is married. It will be difficult for her to just, you understand, for her to just say, no, I no longer need the man again. It will be difficult for her to stay back. Because she's already in love. Sometimes we should talk about the truth and stop faking news around. Maybe she never knew that at the beginning. She never knew that this man was married. She later find out. My sister, it's late already. Maybe she find out after some time that the man has a wife. What's her business over there? If the man truly loves you, the man is comfortable with you, he will not be searching for her. That is a fact. People should stop faking different news all about disturbing people's peace with your personal issues. If I were to be that lady, this lady crying, making noise, disturbing the peace, you are very lucky I'm not. If I were to be that lady, this will be the worst time. In fact, that man, you will not even see him again with your eyes. You will even be begging him to come and visit your child. If I were to be that lady, now that you decide to start posting her picture, disgracing her to the world. If I were to be her, my sister, you're wasting your time. In fact, I will even make the man never to see. You will not even set your eyes on the man again. Rubbish. My man, my this comfortable housewife, blood. Don't take care of your man. Sit down, be feeling you are the full housewife. He will not go anywhere. It now belongs to me. You just want to sit down, be eating money. Don't take care of the man. Don't take care of your home. Don't feed him. He will dump you one day. Rubbish. My mom, my food, blood.